Calling all luxury travelers. Planning a getaway for a large family can be challenging, but with the right destinations and accommodations, it becomes an unforgettable experience. From private villas to all-inclusive resorts, luxury travel for big families is all about comfort, convenience, and indulgence. Welcome to 10 luxury travel tips for large families. How to plan an unforgettable trip. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more luxury travel inspiration. Let's dive in. Traveling with a large family means finding destinations that cater to all ages while offering top-tier amenities and experiences. Whether it's booking a spacious private estate in the Caribbean, enjoying a luxury cruise with endless activities, or staying at a 5-star resort with personalized services, the key is thoughtful planning. From choosing the right accommodations to organizing seamless itineraries, here are 10 expert tips to ensure your next luxury family trip is stress-free and spectacular. Planning a luxury vacation for a large family requires careful consideration of accommodations, experiences, and personalized services to ensure that every family member has an unforgettable time. From spacious villas and private islands to curated cultural excursions and 5-star dining, traveling in style with a big group is easier than ever. Whether it's a multi-generational getaway or an exclusive adventure with extended relatives, these luxury travel tips will help you create a seamless and extraordinary experience for everyone. 10. Choose the right destination. Selecting a destination that caters to large families is crucial. Opt for locations that offer a mix of adventure, relaxation, and entertainment suitable for all ages. Destinations like the Maldives, the Caribbean, and European capitals provide an ideal blend of world-class accommodations and diverse activities. Look for private islands, all-inclusive resorts, or luxury estates where the whole family can stay together while still enjoying plenty of space and privacy. 9. Book spacious accommodations. Luxury villas, multi-bedroom suites, and private estates are perfect for large families. Resorts like One and Only Rithi Ra in the Maldives or the Brando in French Polynesia offer expansive accommodations with private pools, personal chefs, and dedicated concierge services. Renting a fully staffed villa allows the family to enjoy a personalized experience with tailored meal plans, activities, and entertainment. Many high-end properties also include private theaters, game rooms, and exclusive beach access for ultimate comfort and convenience. 8. Opt for private transportation. For a seamless luxury experience, consider booking private jets, yachts, or chauffeured vehicles. Private aviation ensures a stress-free journey, especially with children or elderly family members. Companies like VistaJet and NetJets offer flexible jet memberships, allowing families to travel on their own schedule. Luxury yacht charters provide the ultimate freedom, offering tailor-made itineraries, gourmet dining, and water sports activities, ensuring an unforgettable travel experience. 7. Plan exclusive activities for all ages. A well-balanced itinerary should include experiences tailored to both kids and adults. Private guided tours, VIP theme park access, and cultural workshops elevate a family trip. Resorts like the Four Seasons Orlando at Walt Disney World provide behind-the-scenes theme park experiences, while properties like a Manjeri in Utah offer private slot canyon explorations and hot air balloon rides. Planning a luxury vacation for a large family requires careful consideration of accommodations, experiences, and personalized services to ensure that every family member has an unforgettable time. From spacious villas and private islands to curated cultural excursions and 5-star dining, traveling in style with a big group is easier than ever. Families can also book exclusive cooking classes, wildlife safaris, and yachting adventures to create unforgettable memories. 6. Hire a personal concierge or travel planner. Luxury travel agencies and personal concierges specialize in crafting bespoke experiences for large families. Services like Quintessentially and Black Tomato provide 24/7 assistance, arranging everything from last-minute reservations to private helicopter transfers. A dedicated travel planner ensures that all logistics are handled effortlessly, so the family can focus on enjoying their vacation without any stress. 5. Consider all-inclusive resorts with VIP services. All-inclusive luxury resorts like Grand Velas Riviera Maya in Mexico or Niyama Private Islands in the Maldives offer premium services for large families. Many high-end resorts feature family-specific packages, including private chefs, dedicated nannies, and kids clubs with engaging activities. VIP services such as personal butlers, beachfront dining, and private yacht excursions elevate the experience, ensuring every member of the family is well taken care of. 4. Plan multi-generational experiences. Luxury travel should cater to all age groups, from toddlers to grandparents. Resorts with wellness programs, kid-friendly excursions, and adult-only spa treatments ensure a balance of relaxation and adventure. In destinations like Kyoto, families can participate in cultural activities such as tea ceremonies and calligraphy workshops, while also enjoying Michelin-starred dining and private onsen experiences. 3. Book private dining and personalized culinary experiences. Gourmet dining is a key part of luxury travel. Many high-end resorts offer private dining experiences, allowing families to enjoy personalized menus crafted by world-class chefs. Whether it's a beachside barbecue with a personal chef, a private wine tasting with a sommelier, or a bespoke tasting menu overlooking the Amalfi Coast, luxury culinary experiences make family vacations even more special. 2. Capture the experience with a private photographer. Hiring a private photographer ensures that every special moment is professionally documented. Many luxury resorts offer in-house photography services, while companies like Fleetographer specialize in vacation photography sessions. In destinations like Kyoto, families can participate in cultural activities such as tea ceremonies and calligraphy workshops, while also enjoying Michelin-starred dining and private onsen experiences. Whether it's a family photo shoot in Santorini, an underwater session in Bora Bora, or candid moments captured during a desert safari, a professional photographer adds an extra layer of luxury to the experience. 1. Prioritize personalized and VIP experiences. Luxury travel is all about exclusivity and personalization. Booking private guided tours, after-hours museum visits, and unique cultural experiences sets a trip apart. For instance, in Paris, families can enjoy a private evening at the Louvre, while in Africa, they can embark on a luxury safari with a dedicated wildlife expert. Personalized luxury experiences create once-in-a-lifetime memories that make the journey truly extraordinary. Luxury travel for large families is an art that blends comfort, exclusivity, and adventure. By choosing the right destination, securing spacious accommodations, and planning tailored experiences, families can enjoy a seamless and unforgettable journey. From private island retreats to VIP theme park access and curated cultural experiences, luxury family travel transforms an ordinary vacation into an extraordinary escape, ensuring every member of the family enjoys an experience of a lifetime. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thanks for watching.